Right, so I've got this place where I can set a few traps, and I've been baiting the area as much as I can in a certain spot. And I've noticed I've been getting pheasants in the area, not much other birds, just pheasants and squirrels as well. So I've set a couple of pheasant traps down there in the style of turkey traps. But I noticed, because I can view it from a distance, and I noticed that every time I'm looking over there, there's a squirrel in there. Or if I can't see it, when I go in there, I notice the seed and stuff has been completely scattered, but there's nothing caught. And it must be a squirrel in there. So where the pheasant traps are, I've also set up a squirrel trap. So hopefully I can catch a squirrel and then catch a pheasant as well. Like I said, I see pheasants in the area, but you know, I'd like to try and get one. So I've set one up as a cage trap and one up as like the proper style with stacked sticks. Well, you'll see in a minute. So we'll cut to that footage and you can have a look and see what I got or what I didn't. Well, that's the pheasant trap, and it's a large cage, and I've dug the ditch underneath so it can go in. And what I also did is I've set up a squirrel trap, because every time I set this up, the squirrel always comes along and has the bait. So I've got him, but no pheasant yet. I'll show you. Simple setup. Just dig the trench, bit of wood or something to put the bait on, and then stick the cage over top of it. And you can do it also with a pyramid of sticks as well, which I'm hoping to do. I haven't got time today. If you are going to dispatch one of these, best way to do it is with an air gun. Looks like the squirrel had been in here. So it's best to get a bit of this, put that in the ditch. So natural pheasant trap. Same as a turkey trap. It goes underneath there and then ends up stuck inside there. Simple to make with just branches you can find, and it's pretty camouflage as well. Even if they want them logs behind it, you still wouldn't really spot that. Ah, pheasant there, you can hear it. Hopefully it'll come over. And then you put a trail of bait going along in the ditch and then inside of a trap as well. And then they get in and they can't find a way out. Now I can't show you, I haven't got any footage of a pheasant caught in one, but I have got footage of a pigeon caught in one. Same method, exactly same method, but I'll put that on as well. So the ditch, pyramid of sticks, and then just stick some more on as well to kind of camouflage it and, you know, block off any gaps. There was quite a big gap there. And then the other one, don't know if you can see it, is over there. But I went over to it earlier on and it had another squirrel inside it, but when I got near it, it ran away. So I have to set the other squirrel trap up again. So pheasant trap, easy to do, build that anywhere. Just make sure that your trench underneath is big enough. Now I think I may have to dig that trench out a bit more, to be honest, but I'll carry on and get it done. So I think that needs to be a bit deeper and a bit longer personally. That may do though, but right, anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you later. Amazingly weird that it's headed right towards the trap, but I haven't put the bait in it.